I hope you practiced a lot on our previous lesson because now we're gonna do the O sound. If you watched my previous video, the instructions of the O sound are similar to the instructions of the O sound. So here's how you do it. First, drop your jaw, then position your mouth and lips in the shape of a circle or an O. Then try to pull your tongue back towards your throat. Now keep your mouth and lips in the position of an O and try to cough, like this. Oh, oh. So here's the difference of the O and the O. O, O. For a stronger O sound, try to keep the sound at the back of your throat. Oh, you got it? Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Boss, boss, boss. Cross, cross, cross. Board, board, board. Score, score, score. Dog, dog, dog. This sound is also said with the spelling A, especially before an L. For example, tall, tall, tall. Call, call, call. Also, also, also. Always, always, always. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Sometimes you can switch the ah sound with the o sound. For example, water, water. Long, long. Daughter, daughter. Cross, cross. All right, good work. High five. This sound may have different symbols and multiple spelling variations, but if you don't know how to say the O sound, then it doesn't matter. So focus on mastering the sound first, then do the rest later. And now with that said, on to the next video.